Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. In the world of maritime operations, the able seaman, more commonly known as the AB, is the backbone of the deck department and a skilled professional who keeps the ship moving safely and efficiently. An AB is an experienced rating who has spent years at sea and has proven their competence in every physical aspect of ship handling. Their role is incredibly diverse, requiring them to switch from the high-tech environment of the bridge to the rugged labor of the deck in a single shift. One of the primary duties of an AB is serving as the helmsman. When the ship is navigating through narrow channels or entering a busy port, the AB takes the wheel and steers the vessel under the direct orders of the captain or the pilot. This requires intense concentration and a deep understanding of how the ship responds to the rudder, especially in heavy winds or strong currents. While on the bridge, they also act as a lookout, using their eyes and ears to spot other vessels, navigation buoys, or floating hazards that might not appear on the radar. When they are not on the bridge, the AB is the engine room of the deck maintenance team, working under the supervision of the bosun. They are experts in seamanship, which includes the complex art of splicing ropes and wires, as well as the safe handling of the massive lines used during mooring operations. An AB must know exactly how to secure a ship to the pier and how to operate the powerful winches and windlasses that pull the vessel into position. Safety is a major part of their daily life, and they are often leaders during emergency drills. They are responsible for the maintenance and preparation of lifeboats and life rafts, ensuring that all emergency equipment is clear of obstructions and ready for immediate deployment. On cargo ships, the AB plays a vital role in securing the goods. They check the lashings on containers or the hatches on bulk carriers to ensure that everything is watertight and immovable, even in the roughest storms. They are also skilled in the use of heavy machinery like forklifts and cranes, and they perform the essential tasks of chipping rust and applying specialized marine coatings to prevent the salt water from eating away at the ship's steel hull. To become an AB, a seafarer must complete significant sea time and pass examinations in survival techniques, firefighting, and first aid. They are more than just laborers. They are the experienced hands that the officers rely on to get the job done right the first time. The AB is a mentor to ordinary seamen and cadets, passing on the practical tricks of the trade that keep the crew safe and the ship in top condition. Whether they are standing a cold night watch or working on a sun-drenched deck, the able seaman is a vital professional whose skills ensure that the global supply chain continues to flow across the oceans every single day. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.